Diabetes is an increasingly common condition. According to the American Diabetes Association, approximately 1.4 million new cases are diagnosed every year in US. Diabetes can be challenging to control and many natural remedies are help to lower blood sugars. Living with diabetes can be very difficult and could be a little scary. Drinking green juices and eating a healthy diet can change that. Here is a healthy green smoothie. For this we need carrots, spinach, ginger, cucumber, lemon and coriander. Carrots. Carrots are root vegetables known for their vibrant color and their ability to really benefit the vision. Carrots are powerhouses of nutrition. Carrots are frequently orange but can also be found in white, purple and red. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C and potassium and manganese, complex vitamin B with folate, phosphorus and vitamin E in smaller quantities. Carrots are very high in sugar. They are also rich in healthy fiber along with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Carrot consumption would not hurt you even if you are a diabetic. Apples are delicious, nutritious and convenient to eat. Apples typically contain less sugar and more fiber. They are particularly beneficial for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. They also have high antioxidant levels and are an excellent source of vitamin C. They contain about 20 grams of carbohydrates to provide you with all the energy, and most of it comes from natural sugars. Also, green apples have a G1 rating of 39, which means that they are a low glycemic food. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins, minerals and phytochemicals. Spinach possesses a low glycemic index, which means eating it will help support healthy and stable blood glucose levels. Spinach is exceptionally low in calories. 1 cup of raw spinach contains only 7 calories. The fact that spinach contains so few calories is a major benefit of persons with diabetes. It improves your blood glucose levels as well as your blood pressure and cholesterol. Glycemic control. A study suggested that ginger improves long-term blood sugar control for people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger is rich in gingerols, the major active component of ginger rhizome, can increase uptake of glucose into muscle cells without using insulin and helps in the management of high blood sugar levels. It is also worth noting that ginger has a very low glycemic index. Low G1 foods break down slowly to form glucose and therefore do not trigger a spike in blood sugar levels as high G1 foods do. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and a source of fiber. They fit easily into a diabetes meal plan. The ADA recommends people with type 2 diabetes consume a nutritious, high-fiber diet, including 3 to 5 servings of vegetables a day. Fiber has many health benefits, including providing a sense of fullness, curbing appetite, and helping the blood sugar control. Many low-carbohydrate vegetables, including cucumbers, do not worsen blood sugar levels and can be eaten liberally in diabetic diet. Lemon. Lemon is rich in nutrients, having high levels of vitamin C, thiamine, calcium, and phosphorus. Lemon is good for diabetics and has many other health benefits. It is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Coriander. Coriander reduces the glucose levels in the blood. It also maintains the insulin activity. Coriander seed is effective in controlling the insulin release from beta cell in pancreas. This regulates the proper assimilation and absorption of sugar, and this results in drop in the sugar level in the blood. Now let us start the preparation. Take a blender jar, add spinach to it, cucumber pieces, carrot pieces, apple pieces, coriander, some ginger pieces, add some lemon juice. Now pour some water and blend it well. Low-calorie juice is ready. To this juice, along with a healthy large salad, it will lower your blood sugar levels tremendously. By taking this juice regularly, you can control your blood sugar levels. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.